Imagine getting 2 months worth of rain in just 2 days. Here you go.
Aww, my buddy, my buddy.
People in South Korea are dealing with the heaviest rain.
Is that your new buddy, huh?
Disaster officials say that at least 44 people have died, including 13 in this landslide. Hundreds of families have lost their lives.
Hey, Luchu. You want to get in on that? Is that the dealio? Aww. It's Lou Reed and Louie. It's a Lou thing. Trying to undercut him. Can't quite get under there. Oh, dominate me. Look at me. You can dominate me. Come here. I'm helpless. No, pay attention to me. It was like, I need a break. I'm tired. Good job, Louie. Smiley boy. You smiley boy. Lou Reed. Is that your new buddy? All right.